Back stiff, core asleep, posture collapsing before noon? Let's fix that fast. This flow is your power switch. We'll activate your core, unlock your lower back, and bring your posture back to life. By the end, you'll feel where your energy's been stuck and finally release it. Lie flat on your back, arms reach toward the sky, knees bent to 90 degrees like a tabletop. Slowly lower one arm and the opposite leg, hovering just above the ground. Exhale and return. Alternate sides. This move may look simple, but it's one of the most effective ways to wake up your deep core and stabilize your spine. I promise this will fire up your muscles you've forgotten about. And trust me, they're going to thank you later today when you're standing taller and feeling lighter. Beginners, keep your range small, no need to touch the ground. Advanced stretches lower the limbs closer to the floor with control. Here's a fun fact. The deep core muscles don't just power movement, they protect your spine and organs. Can you give me 5 more seconds without letting your lower back lift? Do you feel your belly trembling? That's your core saying thank you. That just lit up your foundation. Now let's layer in control. Come to all fours, extend your right arm and left leg. Reach long, hold. Now slowly bring them in to touch elbow to knee. Repeat for 30 seconds. This is more than a stretch. It's stability training for the entire back line of your body. You'll see why we pair it with the next move. I promise you, mastering this movement makes everyday motions like bending, twisting, and lifting safer and stronger. Beginners, keep the foot and hand low to the ground. Advanced stretches, try pausing in the extended position for 3 seconds. Bird dogs improve proprioception, your brain's ability to sense where your body is in space. Push through one more rep. Eyes down, core tight. Is your back wobbling? Tighten your abs and try again. That just activated your back chain. Next, we fire up the glutes. Lie on your back and knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Press your heels down and lift your hips until you form a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top. If your back feels tight in the mornings, this stretch resets your pelvis and activates the muscles that are supposed to carry your day. I promise you'll feel a deeper connection between your core and glutes after this minute. Beginners, keep arms down and neck relaxed. Advanced stretches, try single leg bridges for 3 reps each side. Weak glutes often result in tight hamstrings and lower back pain. Activating them is key to long-term relief. Squeeze for 5 seconds at the top. Can you feel the burn build? Do your glutes feel like they're waking up? That's your body rebalancing. Now let's isolate the lower abs and finish the core connection. Lie flat again, hands under your hips, extend both legs out. Raise the right leg up slowly. Lower back down. Now the left. Control every inch of the way. This is where real stability is built. The kind that supports your back and boosts your posture long after the session ends. I promise you'll move more gracefully and confidently when your lower abs know how to do their job. Beginners, keep a slight bend in your knees. Advanced stretches, try pulsing each leg at the top before switching. Most people ignore the lower abs, but they're essential for pelvic control and injury prevention. 5 more seconds. Slow it down. Tighten the core. No rushing now. Is your back trying to lift off the ground? That's your cue to engage harder. You're crushing this. Now let's close with the full body release. Hug both knees to your chest. Gently rock side to side. Let your spine decompress. Let your breath slow down. This is your reward for showing up, but it's also the final layer, where your spine softens, your hips let go, and your nervous system resets. I promise you'll walk away from this with less tightness and more grounded energy for your day. Beginners, rock gently or stay still. Advanced stretches, add a light pulse or a deeper exhale with each hug. This move increases parasympathetic activity, calming your system before your day even begins. Hold the hug. Can you breathe deeper for just 5 more seconds? Do you feel your lower back melting into the floor? You've realigned your body from the inside out. This is how you begin strong. You didn't just stretch, you stabilized your foundation and reconnected your breath. Your body feels different now, but the real shift, it shows up later in how you walk, sit, and move through the day. That's why I built a 3-day reset, a free focus plan to keep your body aligned, pain-free, and strong all day long. Tap the link now before the tension creeps back in. You're building something powerful. Let's keep going together.